Understood?
Got it.
So our thumbnail section is also completed. For now, we need to move to the SEO. So basically,
Okay.
for the YouTube SEO, there are multiple tools we can also use. If you don't have any idea about the SEO tools, you can also explore on the Chat GPT. Okay. So
Okay.
I also already know about this. So I will use the vidIQ. It also have a free and paid variant. So if you are a beginner, I will suggest you need to basically they have two types of accounts. So first one is free and the second one is paid. So if you are a beginner, you can also use this free trial version. So what we need to do on it, just click on the keywords.
Currently, I don't understand what is that and why we are using that one.
So basically they will help us to optimize our video, like improve for the SEO improvement. Like we will search the keywords
Okay.
what people search about our video. Basically
Okay. Got it.
tags SEO means what is the name of our video. Like there are multiple cameras in the world, but we are
Hmm.
exploring about Canon camera or the Nikon camera. So this is the basically tag that we are use for exploring this our product. Hope you understood.
Okay.
Okay.
I am.
So let me see, as we set up the unlocking the power of AI tool. First of all, I need to put AI tools on the this way. Click on enter. So you can see here the result are related to the keyword. So basically, there
Hmm.
are three types of results. The first one is search volume. It means how many people search on the YouTube or Google about this keyword.
Hmm.
And the second one is competition. It means how many content creators have related to this type of videos. And the third one is overall score. It means what if we record a new video, uh, what we need to do, like we need to choose this one or something else. So if you have a green signal for the for this SEO score, then I will always suggest you need to keep in mind you need to choose this one. So
Okay.
you
So you
can
mean
see.
this counterpart help us to determine like how much improvement we need to do for our video, right?
Hmm. Basically, if you are new creator, then you need to follow only the green signals. Okay. So you can also see
I
here
understand.
there are multiple types of keyword. Like I will suggest any other video. Like I will. So here you can see the search result is high, but the competition is very high. So
Hmm.
overall score is low, like 37. So if you are the target this keyword for your video, then you need to keep in mind you need to hard work for, like you need to use some advertising plan like Google Ads, something else, so you can
Got it.
compete for this keyword. Otherwise, I always suggest you need to work for the green signal keywords. Okay.
Got it.
Like I will also show YouTube automation. Mm, here you can see the 74% overall score. So this is the best keyword for choosing. Also, they have uh, high search volume and competition is very low. The overall score is best. So this is the best keyword for you. Okay. So
Okay.
our last process is end. So do you have any question
Well,
related to this
I
process?
don't think for now. Maybe we can discuss further later if I have.
Okay. So Mudassir, do you have any question?
I have two questions about it.
Okay. Let me know.
First question is that you use only ChatGPT tool for description and script.
Mm-hmm.
Can Can you share another tool for it?
Uh, you can also explore in the chat GPT like or a Google search. Like I need a let me search for this. So here you can see there are multiple types of tools where you can do the same thing. Let me back like this one AI script creator, or you can also search on the YouTube box. If you don't have any idea about the tools, you can also search these keyword on the YouTube, so it may be better to understand and got a best tools. So here you can see there are multiple videos related to this one, so hope you understand.
That's a better idea.
Mhm. So do you have another question?
So I have another question that how I choose a clickbait thumbnail.
Sorry again.
Title or I mean how I choose a best thumbnail
Yes,
that
Namni.
people attract.
Let me show just a minute.
Is it important to have it? I need to be have a designer before I use these tools.
You can also choose this way, but if you have low budget, then you need to keep in mind you need to do yourself. So basically there are three most important things in your thumb. The first one is color scheme, the second one
Hmm.
is subject picture, and the third one is uh, keywords like title. So if you have a shocking title like let me explain something fantastic, or you can see here like let me share this one. So you can see here.
Hmm.
So basically it has a good background like color scheme, and the subject picture is very good, and here you can see the title, the most attractive thumbnail. So this type of thumbnails can attract the more viewers. The first one, you need to focus on the title, like your title should be the shocking, like
Hmm.
it will help your visitor to must be click on your thumbnail. So if you have a simple information about your video, if you are using the simple thumbnail, then it can be move forward to the next one.
Okay, so you mean it just helps our design to attract more visitors.
Mhm.
Okay.
So do you have any other question?
I don't think I have any.
So Mudassir, do you have another question? Okay, I think everything is done. So
I
we
think
need
so.
to end the our podcast.
Hmm.
So so
Yeah, man.
best of luck, buddy.
To be
Yes.
honest, you are just genius, and I believe you can help us with all these things.
Okay, it's my pleasure.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much for
much
your time.
for both of you. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.